Alright, so today I wanted to make something quick and fast, so I'm making chili beans. All you need is onion, it's optional, hot chili pepper, I have 1 pound of ground beef, onion, pepper, salt, tomato sauce, garlic powder, and pinto beans. I just need 1 can of bean. I'm making 1 pound and a cup of water. So my lovely assistant, is gonna put the ground beef in the pan. The pan's already hot.
First you want to open it, and then do I just do this?
Dang! So we're gonna brown it. Ow!
Oh, you like taking it.
And remember, the ground beef already has fat, so you don't need to add oil. So as the meat is browning, I'm going to add my onions.
Okay.
My hands are washed. Make sure you wash your hands before and after.
I never touched that. Oh.
She touched this handle. I don't know why this pan does not have handle grips on it. Well, it has handle grips, but it don't have like a protectant. I remember I grabbed it the first day I got it and it burned. So we're gonna let this meat brown. So now that it's brown, make sure you strain your meat so you can take all the fat out. Now we're gonna add our beans. Don't burn yourself again.
Olive?
Yes. Oh my gosh. Okay, there's no more beans. So grab that and stir it.
No, don't grab it.
I say grab the spoon, not the pan.
I'm like trying to grab it. Oh my gosh.
So then what we're going to do next is you're going to add your garlic powder. Are you even putting some?
I don't know why you're telling me. No. I need like protection to hold it.
Can you... Here, pepper. You can put the spoon down.
Spoon down.
Now we need to put some salt. You have to turn it the other way. It's not even coming out. You gotta like tilt it. Oh my gosh, Nerea. Okay. So now I'm gonna grab my hot chili powder and put it in here. And I just put how much I want. I don't have a measurement because I like mine hot and spicy. Let me see. Oh, mixing it. If it doesn't taste spicy enough, then I'll add more. So when you add it, okay, you need to add your tomato sauce. You can add the water. What? Stir that. Then get your water. Here. Start putting your water in slowly. I'll tell you when to stop. Keep doing it. You're gonna make a soup, pretty much. Okay, so we're gonna let this boil. I'm gonna taste it to see if it needs more salt or chili. We let it simmer. Perfecto. So I'm gonna put a little bit more because I like mine hot.
Dang.
What? Okay, stir it. Then add a little bit of more water. There. Put more salt. So we're gonna let this simmer. Alright, so this is what we ended up with. Chili beans. You can eat this with crackers or corn tortillas. And that's what it is.